Here are 3 reasons why Amazon sellers that want to own their customer data must get ZonHero. If you're an Amazon seller, then you need to keep watching this video because I'm about to show you a software called ZonHero that's going to significantly help you scale your e-commerce business. Alright, so reason number 1 why Amazon sellers need to get ZonHero is because ZonHero connects your Amazon seller account with your Facebook ad account so that you can retarget all your Amazon customers with Facebook ads. Here's what this allows you to do. With a Facebook ad, you can get them to give you feedback in the form of a review, you can cross-sell them the other products that you offer, or if the first product that they bought on Amazon was a consumable one, then you can get them to come back and buy it again. You can run a giveaway campaign, and through the entry process, you can get them as a Messenger bot subscriber as well as get their email address. You can also get them to join a Facebook group and start building a community around your brand, which is really great for social proof. Alright, so reason number 2 why Amazon sellers need to get ZonHero is because you can track your Facebook ad conversions. So many times what happens is if you're driving traffic to your Shopify site, a lot of people are going to discover your product for the very first time in your Facebook ad. They're going to go to your Shopify site, they're going to learn about your product, but they actually prefer to buy through Amazon. So then they're going to go to Amazon and they're going to search for your product, they're going to find your product, and they're going to purchase right there on Amazon versus your Shopify site. Now ZonHero actually helps you track that conversion so that you know your true return on ad spend. See, what happens is when they purchase on Amazon, that information gets sent over to your Facebook ad account, and then that shows up in a column in your Facebook ad account showing that you had a purchase attributed to that campaign, that ad set, that ad, and it also shows the actual conversion value, which means how much their Amazon order was for. So when you're running your Facebook ads, you'll obviously be able to see all the purchases that those ads led to in your Shopify store, but you'll also see a column of all of your Amazon purchases and the value of that order. When cross-selling them or getting them to buy again, you can direct them to your Shopify store or your ClickFunnels store or whatever sales channel that you actually own. That way, you'll have a lot larger margins on their purchase. And the third reason why every Amazon seller needs ZonHero is because when you're running your Facebook conversion campaigns, you can actually optimize on that event, that conversion event of them buying from you on Amazon. So this means that as you get a lot of purchases from Amazon, that data is going to be sent over to your Facebook pixel, which is going to make your Facebook pixel smarter, which is going to make your pixel perform better when you're running your Facebook conversion campaigns. You'll be able to decrease your cost of customer acquisition, and you'll be able to scale your e-commerce business a lot easier. So now what you need to do is sign up for ZonHero. So either click below or visit getzonhero.com, start owning some of that Amazon customer data that you're missing out on right now, and start really blowing up your e-commerce business.